The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. At 8:46 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a commercial jet airliner has crashed into the One World Trade Center in Lower Manhattan. This crash is believed to be intentional. There was believed to be around 150 passengers on the plane. In addition to this, many Islamic men carrying semi- and fully automatic assault rifles started opening fire on the citizens of New York and around Central Park. All residents in the city of New York are advised to stay indoors with all windows and doors locked. If an Islamic terrorist enters your home, use all means necessary to protect you and your family. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington, D.C. Police Department. At 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, another hijacked plane has crashed into the Washington Monument in front of the White House. This is believed to be related to the attack 14 minutes ago in New York City. This plane was believed to be carrying about 200 passengers on board. There are likely no survivors. Due to future attacks being possible, all residents within a 5-mile radius of Washington, D.C. are advised to stay indoors and stay vigilant. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. At 10:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the 82nd to 94th floors of the One World Trade Center have fell off of the rest of the tower due to an intentional plane crash. This has caused many harmful gases to be released into the air. All residents within a 25-mile radius of New York City are advised to stay indoors and use all means possible to avoid breathing in the toxic gases. Please stay tuned for a message from the President of the United States of America.
My fellow Americans, I wish I could say good morning. However, it does not fit the occasion of what has happened today. At around 8:45 this morning, Eastern Time, ISIS terrorists crashed a commercial jet airliner into the One World Trade Center in New York. Then, 15 minutes later, another plane crashed into the Washington Monument, causing it to be completely obliterated. An estimated 200 people were killed in the Washington Monument attack, and about 1,100 more were killed in the One World Trade Center attack. Then, just a few minutes ago, the One World Trade Center tower collapsed, sending a toxic gas into the air. There will be an addition of 1,342 or more names to the 9/11 memorial. This ends my message. My fellow Americans, thank you, and God bless America.
That was a message from the President. Remain in tune for further updates as they become available.